To generate a topo surface in Revit from flat contours, go to Insert and use Import CAD to bring the flat drawing into the scene. Then select the contours and hit Explode on the ribbon. Each segment of the CAD is now separate segments, but continuous lines can be chain selected by hitting the Tab key when hovering over a segment. I previously set up some levels at 1 meter intervals. We will use this to give Z values to the flat contours. Hover over the first line you want to assign a Z value to and hit Tab to chain select the whole line. Then select Edit Workplane from the ribbon. This opens the Workplane dialog from where you will specify a new workplane for the selected line. In my case, it is level -1, set at -1 meter. The first line moves to its new height as specified by its workplane, and now we continue to specify new workplanes for all of the other lines by hovering over a segment, hitting Tab to chain select the whole line. Click on Edit Workplane on the ribbon and specifying the next workplane in the drop-down. Keep doing this until all contour lines have workplane heights assigned. Your previously flat contours should now look similar to mine. Spaced out at regular 1 meter intervals, we are almost done. Next, we export the contours by going to File, Export, CAD Formats, and choosing the DWG format. Click Next, choose a file name, and hitting OK. Now delete the lines in the viewport and re-import the CAD you just exported from Insert on the ribbon. Head over to Massing and Site on the ribbon and click on Toposurface, then Create from Import, and choosing Select Import Instance. Select your CAD and hit OK. Now you have your topo surface. You can continue to edit the surface after its creation by selecting the topo and selecting Edit Surface from the ribbon. Many thanks to Rainier for suggesting the topic of today's video. If you would like to suggest a topic for a future video, leave a comment below and I'll get to it as soon as possible. If you found this video to be useful, consider to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow Revit users. If you would like to learn more Revit, check out the link to my Shorts playlist in the description below, or hang around while I populate this random twin motion scene using the topo surface created in this video. Either way, we at 1 Minute Revit Tips hope you have a good day.